Better than new villa located in Spring Mills subdivision. This home is just 7 months young and was built with many upgrades. It is the 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2 car garage Danielle model. Downstairs is a very open floor plan with the kitchen, dining room, and great room all occupying the same space. The kitchen has upgraded countertops and cabinets, a tile backsplash, upgraded appliances, as well as a food pantry. The primary bedroom has a ceiling fan, 2 walk-in closets and private bath with a double vanity and walk-in shower. There is a second bedroom located on the main level as well as a full bathroom. Oak stairs lead you upstairs where you will find a second primary bedroom with ceiling fan, full bathroom and a walk-in closet. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the entire house. The rear porch has been extended, part of it is screened in with a ceiling fan, and part of it has been left exposed. The view directly behind the home is nothing but a stone wall and trees. This home does not back up to other homes. Other upgrades include cellular shades, add-on blinds on the rear door, and upgraded bathroom vanities and faucets. See documents for added features. Builder warranty transfer.